Yo, 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 yo. What is up? What is up? What is up, people? Alright, hold on. I put on some music. Put on some music. You know, I'm about that music life. Alright, hold on. Turn my music down. Alright, we're here working on the Chrome extension. And let me just double check something. This open. Bro, how you doing? A guy who likes music and video games. How you doing? How's the internship? The internship, it's good. It hasn't started yet. It'll start this summer. But oh man, I can't wait. I'm excited. I am excited. Starts this summer. And yeah. Alright, so we're working on the Chrome extension still. What was it that we were doing? I think we were working on the text tool. So I was thinking about this for the text tool because we were working on this. The letter spacing, I think we had it working, but there was an issue with it. So I think there's a way we can do this. Because like if I do this test and then I change the font size, change the letter spacing, and then do this. If I change back to this, look, it goes here. So I think there's a way where we can fix it using math. So with the way we can fix it, we need to get the size of the div, or the size of the, I guess we could get the size of the text. I'm not, oh, I thought I had it, but I'm not exactly sure, because we could get this, and then go down. So let me, this is a good reason why I saved this page, because I'm not exactly sure how we could do this, because look, if I click, or when I click it here, it moves it up here, but it should just be here. It's messed up for some reason. I don't know why it's doing that. We'll have to fix that. But I was thinking, if we get this position here, the X and Y of this brick, then we could literally just move it down, like, say, 50. If we move it down 50, then we might get... Imagine if you made the default Chrome dark mode. You mean Google? I know I could change it, but I'm so used to this that it's fine. Because I did have it set to like a dark mode before in the past, but it doesn't matter that much. It isn't that much big difference. So I think if we get the X and Y position of this right here, but hold on, let me check something, because we do have these variables called current X and Y and previous X and Y. Okay. So like, look at this. So we do have these variables here. And then if we do previous X, previous Y. What does that go based off of? So previous, so when I move this, oh, okay, so when I move this, it doesn't change. It only changes, why does it say that? It only changes when I click on it. Cause like, look at this, so previous Y, previous X, 63, 66. If I move it, it doesn't change. Neither does our current. So that's why it's messing up. So we need to fix that in our code. We need to, this is a different project. I believe it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. So we need to fix that in our code. What is this? So we need to do is this when we move it, which we need to do if mode return add text box. So we need to change for text box. So start moving. We should do is this on mouse move. I believe we should do current X equals position X and then current Y equals position Y. Like that. So that should fix that. Updated it. Psych, I ain't catching shit. Okay. Alright. So this should make more sense now when I do this. So let me show this. And so when I move it, the current position should change. So if I do current X, current Y, it should change now when I move this. You ever play Guitar Hero or Rock Band? I've played both. I used to play like the original Guitar Hero and then like the second and third one. And then I played we got Rock Band. I didn't really play Rock Band that much. I had Guitar Hero for like the Beatles edition. Alright, so if I move this over here, current Y, current X, it does move. So like, look at this. If I do test, why did it do that? Test. Uh, 27. Rock Band, the Beatles. Yeah, that's the one. I thought it was a Guitar Hero one, but yeah, that one I played. So why does it do? $9.29. The current X didn't change that much. X? Well, that makes sense. The X didn't change much. Why? Oh, I want to add a rotate to this. So wait, if I do this, it goes up here. Why is that? On mouse move, start moving. Stop moving. Maybe. Add text box. I have Guitar Hero 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and rock. Damn! You got the whole collection! I feel like... Wait, what are her X chords and Y chords? Add text box, X chords, Y chords. But if we start moving, drag, we do this. I want to change. Maybe it'll be like that. Because there's got to be a way to get the position. And then there's another thing I want to do with this today. So letter spacing, so we do that. We move it here. It doesn't. Cause like, look, I'm missing all the spin-offs with the DS title and live. So if I do, it might be because of this. So I believe like if I let go, it'll be right here, and it is. Maybe it could be this way here. So div ID. It looks like div X and div Y I could do. Maybe I could do that. Because the font size also changes. See ya. Thanks for stopping by. Alright, let's try this. So I do test. So if I move this over here, where the fuck did it go? What? And she's still slurping. Alright, I don't understand this. If we... what is a... Maybe I can do this. I'ma let it bust. Put it in her body. Then she cannot hear. Put it in her rear. And then disappear. In the window. I do this. I want it to stay there. No. It doesn't stay there. X, Y. So our Y position should change. If I do plus 10 on this, is that what that does there? Because it says plus 10 here, so I'm thinking maybe that's what it does. So look, I do this. Do, 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 do. Go. So if I do this, no. Slurp it up, go. Slurp it up, go. What if I do like 50? Wait, that's for dragging it though. Slurp it up, go. Slurp it up, go. We gotta slurp. Pussy for dessert. Slurp it up. Alright, let me try this. If I move this, I think now, test. Okay, so that worked. What did I do plus for? Plus 50. Will it work all the time though? Maybe I can do plus 60. Wait a second, let me try this. So if I do this, test, and I move it here, it does that. So I think I do need to do the plus 10. But wait, we should be able to get. Hold on, let me see. I could get. If we could get the corner positions. I'm trying to get the X and Y position of this. Because if I can get the X and Y position, then it will work. How will this work? Let's see. I'm trying to see, how do you get the... How does this work? What is this? I don't understand. Oh, this needs to be in a div here. We need to fix that. maybe we could do this. We could do this. Austin, I'm gonna make sure I claim Evie and not give it to you since you're gonna do me dirty. Like, hey man, he had a hot girl. He was hot. Noelle was like 15. I didn't want that. This man in his harem. Get rounding plant right. Is that? I could have gotten you a million other. Dude, I asked you for 2 characters and you said no. You had characters that I liked and you said no. I said I had to here. I asked for Ayaki Subi and Ain Chitaroga Fuchi. I don't know. I asked for both of those characters. You said no. I said alright. Yeah, alright. Then I saw what little D had, and I was like, oh, I want that. Feels like it's dark. Does the rectangle, does this rectangle just, is it for the whole page? Because I don't need it for the whole page. I only need it for this. I also like those characters, but I couldn't give them to you. But then I was like, I was gonna give you something you want, if not you. Hey man, it's alright. You can, maybe you can trade a Lil D for something. Maybe get your Kakura up and he might take it. He might want like 1,000 Kakura for it. I don't know if he cares about that stuff. Hey man. Now you have to fight him for it. You wanted Noelle specifically to spite me? Hey man, I don't make the rules. What's up, Happy Squid? How you doing? Alright, so we might might be able to do this. Let me try this. We can do... So our text layer is here. And our canvas is, I think, this is 5. Yeah, I'm doing good. I got that internship. So happy. Text tool. Text tool text, and then I think canvas 5. Oh wait, it's backwards. Text tool -8. What? Element top minus. So if I move this, still -8? How's it -8 still? It should be doing this. Element 2. Maybe let me change it to that. Did I spell it wrong? 40. So if I move this, 34. Alright, I think as long as, well, letter spacing doesn't really matter, I don't think. Let me see here. Because, like, the higher and lower I make this, the difference in position it is to up here. So look at this. So if I make this higher, there's a lot more space in between. Whereas when I make it lower, there's less space in between. But if I do it from this position, let me see. Wait, if I resize it, does it change the... No, it doesn't change. So 13 and then offset top. So is there an offset right? No. Left. There's an offset left. So left would, if I move it this way, it goes that way. So does that relate to pixels though? If I do current X, current Y, current Y. Trying to think how this would work. Hold on. Nothing. Hold on. What is... I came through. Alright, so I think we're safe with doing this. I don't know why our current Y. What's our previous Y? 132. Where is this though? If our current Y was 63, I think we're safe with doing this code here. So we could do, I believe we can do this. Div ID, do this. And then we're gonna do, this is element, this is gonna be for X. And we're gonna do the same thing for Y. So relative X. And then element X. So because we could do offset left, div left, this will be Y, Y, and I think we could probably change it to this. I hope. Maybe not. Yeah, element 2, element 2. I'm a game up, bitch. Not read property offset of null. Where? This? Why can't it do that? Because div ID. Oh. Side duck. Alright, so look, if I do this test. Where'd it go? Oh. So if I do test, I do this. Y might need to be. Oh wait, this is wrong. What's up, good stuff? How you doing? I'm trying to fix the positioning of when you do a text, because the positioning is off like a lot. So if I do test, I think it just needs to be like it says here. You was here. Hey, thank you. Where did it go? What? Alright, maybe we don't do this. Maybe it's gotta be like this. Because let me try on mouse moves, start moving. So it does all this. When it stops moving, When we add the text box, I wanted to do this. So if we do that, I wanted to update the X and Y positions. Hold on, I gotta respond to school email. I have to respond to this email real quick, and then we should be good. This was a second reminder. I didn't get a first reminder. What? Hold on, I have to respond to this email for school. Why is this thing loading so slowly? Oh my God. Hold on. Alright, so that should be alright, so let me try this. Take screenshot. So as soon as we hit this, if I type in test, and I do this, see how it moves up slightly? Like look, let me show this. Test. I move it up. Like if I click this, it moves up. But here, it says in the code +10. So I don't know if that is something that I need to do here as well. Let me try that. So Y is +10. Let me try that real quick. And then let me try updating this. So look, it should like if I do +50, it's gonna show a big difference. So like if I do this, hello, I do this. There's a big difference. So maybe I gotta do +20. Oh wait, where did I do the plus 20? Okay, there. I thought I did it with the other thing. Okay, that's pretty good. Maybe we can add a pixel for every time we increase the size, the text size, we increase the current X and Y. So here, when we increase the text size, I think we should do this. We should do this. We do current Y equals current Y plus 1. So for each change, but if it goes down, then it only increases. I know I can do. I could say if text size is greater than new text size, then we increase it. Or no, we decrease it. Else if text size is less than new text size, we increase it. So let me try that. Hold on, I gotta mess with it. If y'all haven't seen the newest videos, you should check them out. They're pretty cool. They're pretty cool, actually. Did I update this? I don't remember. Alright, so let me try this. So if I do this test, if I increase the size, let me get the current Y so I can see if it actually works. So current Y 99. I increase it 107. If I decrease it 117. What?
You've made it to the end of Pokemon Cypher 2013, and I hope you enjoyed every single second of it like I did. This took a very long time to put together, so your support is greatly
appreciated. Oh, it's because, alright, it's because...
all that good stuff. I want to go ahead and give a quick shout out to all the people that participated on the Cypher, as well as the people that helped in the background. My man Ricky Cocaine, Black Triforce.
It's because of this. So look, if I do this, we need to do this instead here. Because otherwise, I don't think this will work. So let me try this now again. Land of the best weather. The Pokemon Cypher. Land of the best weather. Psy-yi-yi. Psy-duck. Psy-yi-yi. I'm gonna update the subscribe count. I don't think it's updating. But yeah, definitely check out the latest videos today. They have a combined of 62 views actually. That's pretty cool. 62 views. I got another video coming out tomorrow. Look at that. Now it's updated. Alright, so let's see. If I do this, oh, wrong thing. If I do this, our current Y is 94. Type in test and increase this. Our current Y is 100. If I decrease it, it's 95. Okay, so now it works. So it does increase there. So if I hit this, it is pretty much there now. Now the question is, now when I move it, or no, if I do that, yeah, it's pretty much there. And if I move it though, if I move it, that's where the issue comes in. So I think I need to do plus 20 here, and it should be good. So that way it's more accurate. So like, look at this. So if I do this, test, and I move it here, and I hit this, it's more accurate, which is good. I increase this, say I increase this, I do this, and it's pretty much there. I mean, there's a small issue, like it moves a little bit, but it's better. Let's add the pen tools now. So let's add the pen tools. This is the text tools. Tool settings. Oh, the eraser tools. So the eraser tools. It's pretty much gonna be like this, isn't it? We're gonna do what? Pen tools. So let me add basically this toolbox. It's gonna be pen size, and we're gonna do pen size input. I guess we could do like 5. I don't know what standard it's gonna go up to. I guess we could say 10 for now. Hold on, I'm gonna check my grades real quick. Make sure I'm still doing good in school. Alright, so we're gonna do the pen tools. Pen size, and then I guess we're gonna do hold on, I made a list of things. I made a list of things. Where is it? We have. Let's go to home. Not home. Let's go to image, and we're gonna have a list of things that need to do. Things to do. So we're gonna do a duplicate layer. Eyedropper tool, crop tool, merge layers, paint bucket tool, which might be difficult to do, but it might not be. Shape tool, spot healing brush, blur tool, burn tool, pen tool, transform tool. We're gonna do a ghost layer thing. Ghost layer, rotate tool, and then rotation. Oh, we're gonna add a rotation to the text. So, and then a move tool. So let's work on the duplicate layer. Let's do it like this. So let's change the thing for this. Hold on, let me check. So we're gonna change the image here for new layer icon. I often hope you're doing good. Hey, thanks. Hope you're doing good too. As a PNG, and then we need to do a duplicate layer because the duplicate layer thing is going to be it's not a PNG. I think this is alright, so it'll be the back of the Wii. Alright, so we're gonna change these images out here. So where we have new layer, we're gonna change it for the image. Like this. So, where is it? It's right here. So ID is gonna be new layer value. It doesn't need a value. I think we need to. We could do a hover thing. We need to add that, like when you hover over things. So this is gonna be new layer PNG. New layer. And then we need to add another thing, the duplicate layer. So when we do that, we're gonna do duplicate. Looking on that route. Where's our CSS? Is this? What? What's up, Coopam? How you doing? What's up? Nothing much. Just still working on this project. So we're still working on this project. That should be good there. Duplicate layer image makes sense. What's the what's the HTML? I keep forgetting the HTML thing to display tooltip. Yeah, coding. Yeah, I'm working on the Chrome extension still. It's not toolkit. You like coding? What do you code with? The title? Alright, we had to have titles for different titles. Did I spell duplicate right? I think so. Title. Let me see. Alright, I think that should work. Let me update this. So that should make this look better. Yeah. New layer, duplicate layer. I like this. I might move these more towards the center, but yeah, let me add titles to the top here. Top ones. Alright, we added titles to that. This brush size, this needs to change here, so we can add different color to the text, because I forget that was a thing. So when we do that, where's our color selectors here? Right here. Let me move this over to this. We could do this here. We're gonna change this to be text color picker. Colors can stay the same as it is. This will be pen color picker, but it's not gonna be here. It's gonna be in here. I have to change something in here. Alright, so that's good there. Because when we do the text tools here, when we create the text box, create the text layer, we need to change the color of the text, which I believe you can change through here. Yeah, fill style. So I'm gonna do it so when you click on this, on the change, it changes the text color. So we need to add that here. When we load the text tools, we do this. We're gonna do text color picker dot on input change, and then we're gonna change the color of the thing, but we need to do here is, where is it? Here. When we create the text layer, we need to get the color, the var color, document.this, and then we do text color. Is it value? It's value. And then our text is going to be fill style equals color. that. But I want it to be dynamic also. So when we actually change the color here, I want our text box to change the color. So like this, so the test. When we do this, I think we could do this. We add color, and then I think red. Yeah, like that. So this will be color. So on which element? Text tool text. So we do text tool text, and then we do CSS, and then we do color, and then on change we need to get the color though. So we need to do var color equals text color picker dot value. I think I could do this. Like that. And then so let me update this. Land of the best weather. So like this. So when I do this, can I read property of value? Color selected, pen color. Is it pen? Is it pen color picker? Is that what I changed it to? Maybe I should just change it to color picker here, and then do the same thing for the other one here. So let me get this here. Because it doesn't really matter, because if it's not on the same screen or in the same place, it won't matter. So here, if we do color, so like that. So let me update this, and then it should work. I hope. Okay, so hello. Let's increase this so we can see it. It's not changing. It's not changing the color, which is what we want. Close this, we close that. On input change, this is an input, right? Let me see. Because I want to do it when you detect the input of the color. Yeah, on input change or on changes and working. So what do they use on input? It if it says, wait, on change. So if we do this, on change BG color. So wait, let me try this. Do 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 do. Oh shit. We don't even need to do that. Let me see. What? Let me try on input. Maybe it's on input? Maybe, hold on, maybe it is working, but this, let me try this. So console log test. Let me try this. Document.get element by ID and then color. Try this. And then we'll do the duplicate layer. The duplicate, oh, we need to do a merge layer too. Because the duplicate layer isn't that hard to actually code, I don't think. Yeah, this works. So look. And then if I do this, it works there. So that'll be good there. We don't need this. So we're gonna do a duplicate layer. So we're gonna take the layer that we selected and we're basically going to copy everything over. So let me think how we're gonna do this. If we do, it's basically gonna be like new layer, except we need to get the selected values of what we have for that layer. So, for example, this is for the other stuff. So here, we're gonna do so we have new layers here. How do we do this here? Hold on, they responded. Did they respond to this email? No, they never responded. Why won't they respond? I don't get it. Why won't they respond to the email? Alright, so alright, so what are we doing next? We're doing the layer stuff. We don't need this. Here. So when we do new layer, we need to add another thing here. So var duplicate layer. Duplicate layers. And duplicate. And we do duplicate. We're gonna create a function duplicate this layer, and we're basically just gonna do what new layers does, except a bit different here. So get this. So instead of this, we're going to do. We're not gonna do. We are gonna do x, but window.x equals new array. We're going to not push 1. We're going to push layer current position. Because we're not going to change current position. Because we're going to do this. The canvas will be duplicated. Everything else will be duplicated. We're not gonna do new image, right? Creates a new layer. Let me see here. That makes sense. Everything here makes sense because we're creating a new layer technically still. Current layer, selected layer equals X. Yeah. Current layer push canvas image. Canvas image is this. But we need to get the canvas image of the actual thing here instead of this. Because get element canvas here. We append it. This needs to be called duplicate this layer. You're back? Hey, welcome back. We're adding a duplicate layer thing. So you can duplicate the layer. This should be correct right here. This creates a new array, window layer X, and then instead of this, we're going to get context already. I think we can do this actually. What is fill new canvas with context new canvas? Instead of this, we're going to do we just do we can do this. So instead of this, we do set a new canvas. We get the element. So instead of this, we're doing document. Then we're gonna do can, and then I believe current layer. And then we don't need this here. This we're gonna need there, I believe. Because we're gonna do this here. So I believe that will work there. You know Contendo? I don't. I don't know who that is. Select the layer X. Current layer push canvas image. Canvas image is this. Oh wait, canvas image, we're pushing this here. What we need to push is this image. What is canvas image? think we got to do this. And then instead of that, I think we have to push this, and we could do that. Let me try that. I have a feeling this is gonna have issues, but we'll see. Yeah, we don't have. Hold on. So this is for text tools. We need to create one for pen tools. Wait, what is this? Oh, this is for JavaScript. What programming language do I use? For this, it's JavaScript. But I know various programming languages. I know PHP, Java, Python, CSS, C++, C, C Sharp. Pretty wide extensive of tools. So this is for pen tools. So when we switch applications, I think we have to go to the top here. We have to do this. So when we do pen tools, we're gonna do this here. We don't need this. We're gonna name this pen tools. We're gonna rename this to text tools. Keep the consistency. Update this. Do 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 do. All right, so let's draw a bit here. So if I hit duplicate layer, get context of selected canvas. So I did something wrong here. Where is it? Here. So duplicate this layer doesn't work. Why? It says get context of selected canvas, which, what is our current layer? So it has to be selected layer. Let's try that. Because duplicating a layer shouldn't be that difficult. So let's click on that. So let's duplicate. Hold on. Create get context of selected layer. I think what we have to do here, previous layer, so then I think selected layer, create, because selected layer, canvas selected layer equals new image. I'm the shit. Hold on a second. that? Is it because did these actually duplicate the names and all? Canvas created, canvas created. What are these labeled as? Layers 2, okay. Layer images, selected 2, that makes sense. Layer 1, layer 1. Okay, everything here checks out. What's the selected layer? What is selected layer? Is it 2? But if I clicked on this, what else did we update here? Current position, layer current position. So current position is here. Layer current position changes because we updated down. Or do we? Hold on, what's our current position here? Our current layer is current position is 4 as it should. Current layer is what we need to change. Current layer dot push. Read like TM82. What is? We do it like this. Selected layer is 2. V1. Selected layer is 2. Previous layer. I don't think this will work here. I think we gotta do it like that, and then I think we gotta do it like that, because if it's 2, it'd be 1. Oh wait, no, is it? If it's 2. Is it -1? Hold on. Let me just do this. Hold on. I be jigging like a ludicolo. Hold up. So if I do this, our previous layer will have selected layer, in which selected layer hasn't changed. Fucking check me if I do you think good riddance. I said fuck the law, then fuck the law like Red had no sense. Oh you got a vest. And you put it on your last night on top, they let you rest. Something happened. Arden Kuno Ice Pick, Rocky Mountain Nice Ridge. The Kuno Ice Pick, Rocky Mountain Nice Ridge. 200 flash on the dash, on a flight risk. Array 4. Selected layer. So wait, it needs, so it's an array. Current layer. I do. What's our We do X. Selected layer X. I don't even move score bunny with a double kick. Do shit. You're the bitch game freak. I don't Pokemon sleep, and you know we finna creep, and your Pokemon home. Got an email. What is this for? They sent this again? I'm gonna have to check on it later. That doesn't make sense. Who the fuck is Peso Pete? Alright. So what is the selected layer is 2. Selected layer is an array of 4. Selected, so I can't do selected layer. Oh, if it equals 4. Or select. Wait, this makes sense though. Because selected layer is 2. If this is 2. Oh wait, 1 is this. What's up, Infinity? How you doing? 1 is this, but 2 is this, which is different. This is an array of arrays. So I need to do the selected layer should be 1. Yeah, selected layer should be 1. This is previous layer. I think, hold on, I think we need to do this. We need to do this equals previous layer instead of this. Your channel's growing so fast? I know. I mean, it's slowed down, but it's still doing good. I'm thankful. Current layer is current layer X also. Current layer and selected layer I think are the same. Let me try that. A tweet? A tweeter? Oh. A tweeting. Someone is be tweeting. Alright, let's try this. Let's do an A. And over in my safe mode. Ooh, what did Pikachu know? Let's try this. So look, duplicate layer. It's still not working. Why? Why is it not working? How did you like the new NF song? Oh, I loved it. I can't wait for the album, or the mixtape, I mean. Undefined. Layer current position is undefined. keep it 100, I ain't 98. What the fuck is going on? Why are they being so loud? I don't know why they're being loud. Current position should be 0. So if we do... I'm not sure why this isn't working here. Window layer X. Current position here should be 7. They should have just copied it over. Because if it copied it over, it would have just been... What is this? Did I already do that? Yeah, I did. Current position. Oh, wait. This is supposed to be like that. Let's try update this. Now, I might have fixed one thing, but I don't think it'll fix it all. Because we have to fix this. I'll fix that part off screen. So look, if I draw, I duplicate it, there's still an error, but I think one of our values is fixed. This should be corrected now. Undefined? How? Sorry for leaving, I had to spray my crested. This sounds so cute. Crested gecko. 2. Selected layer. Let me make sure. Duplicate this layer. Okay. Selected layer hasn't changed. Because selected layer should be... Selected layer should be this minus x minus 1. Should it? No, I don't know, honestly. Wait. Let me, hold on, let me get, how do we get selected layer again? This, we do it like this. Right? Was it like that? Change layers. So if we do it like this. We do it like this. Selected layer equals Z. We don't need this. Let me try var new curve position. You should look them up. They're so cute. They're great text. Yeah, I've seen what they look like. They are cute. Alright, there's still an error, but one of these should be, this should be corrected now, hopefully. Alright, this should be fixed, hopefully. Why is it still undefined? It should have taken. Oh wait. Do I have any pets? I have. I mean, my parents have. Like, I have 3 dogs. There are 2 German Shepherds and 1 Maltese Shih Tzu. So yeah. Alright, so if we duplicate the layer. We had 2 German Shepherds before, and then they passed away. What is going on? What the fuck? Why is it doing that? Hold on, let me just console.log selected layer. SSN with the motherfucking captain. Redo this. Update this. Please on your back, down the maxing. In the back, he's back. I have 2 dogs, Great Dane and a Bulldog. Damn. Great Danes are tall. Alright, let me see. So we're gonna draw, duplicate the layer. We get 1, 1, and then we get 2. So we get 1, 1, and 2, which is what we should get. So this should be 1. Because layer current position. Oh wait, like that. Let me try that. He will jump on your shoulders. I'm sure. Those things are tall. In my neighborhood, there was a Great Dane. He passed away. He was an old dog, but that Great Dane was so huge. Alright, so this is the same. Now, what's wrong is selected layer. Which is 2. Canvas 2, which doesn't exist for some reason. I just don't, goes 0, 1. So, instead of doing, do you listen to Nirvana? No, not really. It does canvas 2, so selected layer should be not changed. Current layer changes. Alright, so new layer. Oh. Is this true? Selected layer. What? How come I can change? What? Hold on. Something here doesn't make sense. Oh my god, why won't this? Alright, let me just. 1, 2, 3. Duplicate our selected layer. Should be Oh, I think, alright, I think I see where the issue is, because the layer here, so our selected layer is 2. Is that what we need though? Selected layer is 2. What is this then? Well, there's, but 2, it isn't the same. So we're saying selected layer, which is 1. We want to do +1, which would equal previous layer. We could just do this. I think if we wanted to, right? So then if I did this, wait. So yeah, it should work like that. So selected layer +1, this should just be X. Because our selected layer doesn't change. Alright, so we take a screenshot. Let me see. Oh, we didn't get any errors. Why does it do this though? I think. So 2 and 1 are the same, which is what we needed to do. Current layer. Current layer equals X. Whoa, what is X? Hold on. I thought current layer was... selected layer is 1. If I switch to this, what is... current layer equals this, selected layer equals X. The current layer equals this. Selected layer equals X. Is it though? Let me try that. I don't know. the selected layer right now is saying no. That selected layer just stays as it is because of this. So I think let's try that. Where's my thing? It's all the way over here. But look, if I do this, I don't know. Why is the pen off? What? Oh, it's because of this. That's interesting. Let me check again. So it sort of works. So like, if I do this, when I hit duplicate, it creates another one here, which we don't want. Is it update layout? Is that why? Oh, it's this. New current position, -1. Because the selected layer... Hold on a second. Something doesn't make sense here. Because if it's... Just something doesn't make sense here. It's 4, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4. What the hell is? See, it's got 5. Why does it got 5? It's pushing 1. But window layer equals new array. And then window layer equals window layer. Is it because of the new array? because
You would think that you mutilated, you talk, but you never been mutilated. To the topic of who's stopping you ever caught my ear and I came. It would still be a sunny day in hell or in here from rain.
it doesn't make sense here. Window layer, selected layer. Current layer equals window X. Current layer equals. Well, what is current layer then? Four to four. If it's 4 to 4, let me restart this, actually. Because something here does not make sense. 1, 2, 3. And then there's 4 down here, which makes sense. So we do this, there's 4. Current layer is this. But when I duplicate a layer, it changes it. Because window X, so if I take this, put this in here. Yeah, so window layer is 4 images. And then selected layer is 1. So when we create a selected layer, this should return 2. So let me try that. So duplicate layer. Nice remix. It's not my song. It's a shofu song. The selected layer equals 2 now. Layer current position is 4. But this is 5. Is it? It has to be create. I think it's because of create. Where's create? I think it's because of create. So I think if we took this out, it would work. Let me check now. Because create, I think, ruins it. But it sounds good. Hey, thanks. Make sure you check out Shofu. He's got a lot of other songs that are good. If I duplicate. Did that work? And if I click on this, not. Hold on. Selected layers. So if I click it, it doesn't seem to work here. When I click here, it doesn't seem to change. Don't know why. You like dogs? I like dogs. They're soft, cuddly. I think so. I think one thing that we need to do that Create did. Create changed. Which one did it change? Did it change current? It didn't change current position. Did it? Layer current position. Did it change this? Let me check. Something's off here. So current position is 7, which is correct. Current layer. Current layer. 7. Layer current position. 5 and 6. I'm not sure if that's correct. So the current position is at 7. What's the other one? Selected layer. Let's see what this is at. This is at 2. If I click on this, selected layer. Selected layer equals 1, but it doesn't change the layer listeners. Change layers. Selected layer. Oh, selected layer equals 1. If I ran change layers. Why doesn't this update? This here. Can I get context of nowhere? Selected layer. Canvas 0. Maybe. Wait. Oh, okay, I get it now. So selected layer has to be changed here, and we duplicate. I think that's what it has to be. I have no rival. What time? It's almost 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. Duplicate. I go to here. It doesn't change. Window layer. Oh wait, cause layer, selected layer is different from canvas, right? Hold on. We're on some legendary shit. Where's the... Canvas 0, canvas 1. What? I thought I was joking. That's... I thought... when we duplicate a layer, selected equals selected layer minus 1, which this is for change layers. Selected layer is 2. But if I click on this, wait a second. What the heck is... Selected layer is 2. Change layer. Maybe I gotta do this minus 1. That doesn't make sense because I thought when we change layers, it does that automatically. Selected layer, cannot read property of context. Have a good afternoon. Thanks. Hope you have a good afternoon also. Oh wait, this changes selected layer. This attribute dot value. That must mean, hold on. Clicking on this attribute dot value. Selected layer equals Z. On which one has selected 2. And we start at 1. But for the canvas here, our canvas still starts at 0 and 1 instead of 1 and 2. So I think we gotta do it like this up here. Create selected layer at the top is 1. Layer is 1, create. What? Why does it do 0? So equals X. So if I do new layer, it creates a 3, which is correct. So the issue is when we unload, hold on. Let me see what this is. So when I do this, canvas 0 and canvas 1. Why does it? So when we duplicate a layer, it doesn't actually duplicate it. And I think it's because we took out create. So let me update that. So look at this again. So our layers here, 0 and 1. If I hit this, it doesn't actually create a layer. Why? Append child selected canvas. Selected layer. Maybe we gotta pretty much do this here. Because this makes sense if we have to basically do this again. Alright, so let me try this. So I think we have to take this out. And then even though we're doing that, we can do... We append this, but for the image, I think we could do... How do we do this? How do I do this? What do I have in mind? Never see these hoes. I think I could do this. Get element. Then we can do can, and then it's plus selected layer. This we do this. New current position. Is it -1? I think. Would it be -1 now that I do 1? I think it would be the same there. Like this. And then we could do selected canvas for this. I think we could do this here. Blue. I think we do this, and then this we could do here. That might work. might work, it might not. I do not know. I just needed to duplicate the layer, in which it's not doing. That makes sense. So if I do this, data URL does not work. Is it correct? Can? Oh no, I closed everything. Alright, hold on, I gotta open everything up again. Hold on. This is like that. Alright, so let me try this now. Nope. Oh wait, no, it did create it. Alright. So it did create the canvas. Okay. Let's see if it works though. So if I do this. What? Why won't it work? Selected layer is 2. Let me try this. Oh my god. So I don't know why it does. What? Broken. It's broken. Why did I not? Something has to be wrong here. If I hit new layer, yeah, I could draw. Oh look, so if I click on this, and I go to here. Wait, what? I don't understand. What is going on here? Something when I hit new layer, what do I change at the bottom? I change current layer, in which I do change current layer equals selected layer equals X. Is it because I didn't change selected layer? Let me try that. Or let me check that. Bruh, why can't I leave it? Bruh. I know I can do. Force it. So, let me check something here. When I do this, payday. I know why it's doing this. Let me just let me just put this on the front page again. Because it's giving errors because of that. We need to check this. So we need to check our selected layer, which is 1. Our current layer, which is this. Duplicate. There's 4 equals 2. Go to this. Layer, current layer. But can we draw? We cannot draw. Why can we not draw? Selected layer is 1. Layer current position is undefined. That is why. Let me fix that. So layer current position. Selected layer. We need to do -1 here. Spitting flame. It looks like a furry. So, duplicate. Let me see why it's doing the same thing again. Okay, well that's the same, because it should be. Let me do this. Create duplicate. We gotta do. And then when we do this, create duplicate, and then instead of this, we do who is your most loyal sub? I honestly don't know. I don't know. Layer current position, selected layer -1 equals equals selected layer plus 1. So I think this is where we have our issue. And so I think maybe, just maybe, this might solve it. So if I do this, it solved this down here with that issue, but I still can't draw on it, which I don't know. Let me see what our draw function does. I think our mode should be pen. Our mode is pen. Where's our draw? Let's find X and Y. Color picker, get the value, draw. Our current layer is that. Selected layer 1. Current position 3 because of this. Why can I not? Let me see here. So selected layer, but when we change layer, that's when our thing is. So when we change layers, let me see why it's not working. Maybe because I did do the +1. Maybe I gotta fix that. No. Current position is 3. Current layer is that. But I can't draw on it. And I get no errors. Let me, hold on, maybe it has to do with something in here. Canvas 1, canvas 2. I don't know why. It duplicates it, but I can't. Selected layer is this dot value. This dot value, which is 1. What? Something with the duplicate layer messes it up. Is something here the same ID? Value 2, layers 2, layers 1. That creates another one. Canvas 3. If I create a new layer, see, it does work. Wait, what? these all the same? So wait, if I make a change to this one, I draw, and then I go to this one, it copies it over. It copies it over for some reason. In which it shouldn't copy it over. I don't know. We'll figure this out next time. I'm gonna go. I'll be streaming this weekend, and we're gonna be doing the same thing. I'm gonna try and figure this out. I'm gonna go get some food. Thanks for everyone who stopped by, and if you haven't seen my latest videos, make sure you check them out. And thanks. See ya.